Okay, so welcome back. We are going to do our final formula, and I was doing this in class, so it may look a little different than what we had when I stopped in the last video, but if you want to make sure that we're all on the same page, I changed my percentage rate to 0.055%. Again, the way to type that is 0.055 and then hit enter. I'm not deleting anything, I'm just changing it. I left this as $1,245.76. Same percentage rate because that is equal to that. I did it for 3 years and so forth. And then I did a 4,300 loan, or sorry, 4,300 principal with the same rate. For 5 years, it was compounded quarterly. So I did 4. And then compound interest was $11.85, and the account ended in that. So if you wanted to get caught up and have the same numbers as me, there they are. So we're doing annual percentage yield. So go ahead and type that in. Again, that only deals with rate and the number of times compounded. So one of the things that I did when I was teaching this in class was hitting pause. Okay, so what I did was I copied A16. I clicked on A16. I hit Control C, and then I put in A22, Control V, and it just pasted all of that. Because remember, when we're talking about annual percentage yield, we're talking about the rate and the time. That gives us our APY. So our rate, we need to type in B21, we need to do the equal sign, and then we need to do capital B, 3, and that gives us our rate from above. So that's not going to change. The number of times compounded, that's going to be equal to B16, which we got from above. I have it zoomed in so you can see it better. And we want to make sure that this is formatted as a number, so I said more formats, and I want to do a number. The APY is where it gets a little sticky. We want this to be formatted as a percent, so we're going to click on format as a percent, and then we need to type in this formula, and it's really long. So it's going to be equals shift 9, shift 9. We're going to do 1 plus our rate. So I'm going to click on, we got to shift 9, so we have it, our rate, divided by, so the question mark key, the number of times compounded, so B22, shift 0, and then we're going to do shift 0 one more time, and then we're going to do shift 6, because we want it to be raised to the nth power, which is going to be shift 9. And then we want to click on B22 again, shift 0, and then we got to do shift 0 one more time, and then we're going to do minus 1, and we should get it as a percent. Now, if it's not formatted as a percent, make sure that it is, and if you get a weird percentage like 0.066, you just need to move that decimal over so that you can see all the numbers. So that is what the simple interest would need to be to get the compound interest. If you have any questions, please come see me in class, but make sure you have this sheet available because it is something you can use on a test.